and gentlemen, before we get into the other stories for today, let me tell you the breaking news for the day. Revolution in the world of transactions has emerged. Yes, I'm talking about Cashless Bazaar, a path-breaking platform that has gathered a lot of loyal user base. It works on the principles of barter system and makes monetary transactions redundant.
You will be coming up with something new and innovative.
Too impressive.
It sounded pretty interesting.
Old wine in a new bottle.
We look for the best of the services.
Is legally valid.
It has provided me a lot of opportunities.
I got a lot of business through Cashless Bazaar.
Without paying anything.
The results is satisfactory.
There you go. You've heard all about Cashless Bazaar from the users themselves. Now I will introduce you to the mastermind behind it all, the CEO and founder of Cashless Bazaar, Mr. Piyush Agarwal. Welcome to the show, sir.
Thank you. I'm glad to be here.
We'd like to start off by asking, how did this begin? I mean, if you could tell us more about it.
Well, we are working on a very strong insight here, and we realized that a lot of businesses across have a dead capital. This was not affecting the business, but the economy as a whole. So we wanted to come up with some solution, and thus Cashless Bazaar was born in 2016.
So, is it really possible to go cashless in today's world? Let's go and find out.
Well, knowing Piyush for this long, I always knew that he will be coming up with something new and innovative. So last year he came up with this idea, and this was actually a very brilliant idea.
And we went to a tax consultant, established professional, Mr. Vinod Kothari from Vinod Kothari and Company, who is the best in this field. So just to avoid any kind of legal dispute, we went to him for a written opinion on these things, and he gave us a written opinion. Yes, CBTP is legally valid.
We have got some Cashless Bazaar trade points. Through trade points, we have got Cashless Bazaar's groceries, furnishings. Through that, we have given them room nights.
Cashless Bazaar, I would just define it in a simple phrase. It's an old wine in a new bottle. See, barter was there previously, and then currency came into first. But now Piyush ji has again turned the tables.
During demonetization, when there was a crunch of cash money, at that time I got a lot of business through Cashless Bazaar, because that time people didn't have money. So they went through Cashless Bazaar to do the party at my banquet. And at the same time, I had a lot of options for the other products which I bought through Cashless Bazaar. Like I was making hotels, I bought switches and other eatables also.
For example, if there is a breakdown of a AC in one of my property at a bungalow, I need to buy immediately, which is an expense for me, extra expense of 50,000 rupees. Whereas when I'm knocking the door of Cashless Bazaar and they are giving me a AC worth 50,000 rupees, same AC, the model which I require, and I'm just placing it, and ultimately I'm gaining that 50,000 rupees. Later on, Cashless Bazaar will consume my room nights.
Every person have their own area, own range, and if you are getting a salesperson without paying anything, and that salesperson is working for you and he is giving you the business without taking any salary, then it is expansion of business by a different way, different mode.
Like we can actually convert our EOL stocks and aging stocks in sales. We have done few transactions with them, and so far the results is satisfactory. And
Basically, if you go out in the market and if you want to make a total purchase for your office, so you need somewhere around 16-20 laptops. Now for the same thing, I'll have to involve my funds and then again take a new investment. So I have something already, and if Piyush is interested in getting that to someone else and he gives somebody else's laptops to me, it sounded pretty interesting.
कैशलेस बाज़ार से अगर एक्सपेक्टेशन की बात की जाए तो हम लोगों को तो बहुत सारी हैं। हमें उम्मीद है कि उनके रीच के थ्रू हम लोग भी हमारे भी रीच बहुत सारे बढ़ जाएंगे, और जो हमारा जो बिज़नेस एक्सपेक्टेशन है, हम लोग लाख से करोड़ से मोर देन करोड़ की ओर बढ़ रहे हैं, और आशा करते हैं कि और काफ़ी आगे तक चले जाएंगे।
In time of a capital crunch, I would say that barter system had helped us a lot. Because what happened is that when there is a recession going on, when it is not possible for us to invest so much. So through Cashless Bazaar, through this barter system, really we had a lot of income.
The service is the key for this entire startup, and service should be on the same platform. Service should be given by the Cashless Bazaar as well as Cashless Bazaar. As I told you earlier, that in digitalization, Cashless Bazaar will grow like anything.
I'm hopeful of getting a lot of customers out of this platform, and in lieu of my services, I will get a lot of products and services without exchanging the cash. So that is the benefit which I am very much hopeful.
See, honestly speaking of the services, I believe being in the service industry, we look for the best of the services, quality services, which we do get.
Myself, the first Dr. Paul, who had gone with Cashless Bazaar in order to get barter of our services against 5 lakhs of cash voucher. But again, we are looking forward to go for many more barters.
We started transacting our product through barter, and we have got through barter laptops and other stuffs for our usage, and we have given SMS services to the other clients of Cashless like Spark, GM, others.
I've been associated with Cashless for quite some time now. The most interesting part is that I have been gaining a lot from my association in terms of getting more clients, and in fact, in spite of being cashless, it has actually been benefiting me.
Could you enlighten us more about how the platform works? I mean, if I'm the business owner and I would like to sign up, then how would I go about it?
Well, we have kept the process very easy and user friendly. You have to first register your business with us on our website. There is a short approval process, after which we assign a relationship manager. The next step is to upload your catalog of products and services with images and prices, and we suggest market operating price, we call MOP. Once our team verifies the catalog, it will be visible on our website for other users to browse. Once a purchase is made by a user, you will have to ship your product or provide your services, and then you can earn Cashless Bazaar trade point for your purchases. In monetary terms, 1 trade credit is equal to 1 rupee. You can then redeem these Cashless Bazaar trade point or CBTP by making purchases on our website.
Wow, that's really great, sir. And thank you so much for coming on this show today. And I would also like to thank the viewers for joining us. I think it's safe to say that we've learned something really great today, right?
Check out Cashless Bazaar today. Go cashless.